and breakfast show, the home of value and great information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. And this is Crypto Bin 101. If you've not subscribed to the channel, you might want to do that. Subscribe, like, and share. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you can get all our juicy content as we drop it. Yes, it's been a while I dropped video because of one or two things, but now we're back better, and I bet you don't want to miss any of my episodes because I'll be sharing a lot of things with you on this channel, especially on this show, the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show. All right, my name is Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim, and I will be your host on this show throughout the time we'll be having the show. And this is what we're going to be looking at. Like I told you, we're going to be looking at news from different sources, like we have the crypto, we have the crypto potatoes, we have the what's it called, CoinDesk, we have You Today, we have News BTC. Also, we have news from the Crypto Compare, and a lot of them will be coming into the lights via all this channel. Also, we're going to be looking at the what's it called, the fear and greed index, because we know that is the sentiment that has been ruling the crypto market for some time now. If you've been following up, you know that when it is on extreme greed like you're seeing right here, you need to be careful with your trading because many investors might be ready to take profit. And you can see we were on extreme greed now, yesterday, last week, and even it was greed last month. And whenever you're seeing this too much greed, definitely some investors will definitely take profit, and that's when you're going to see most of the retailers jumping into the market, and they will use them to cash out. When I mean they're going to use them to cash out, it means you buy at the top and they're going to sell. Then is that you liquidated? If you're not liquidated and you're the type that is holding it, you're going to the value of your coin will fall short, and you will now have to wait for probably years or months before you recover. But I believe the bull run is not over yet, because if you look at the chart right here, you can see, let's go to the monthly chart quickly so I can show you something. If you look at the chart right, you can see we broke above the all-time high here, which is 74,000 that we created before the 69,000. Now, what are we expecting? I'm expecting this to go on and on till April. You understand? But that doesn't mean the market won't have a retrace. Like, we're going to see the market move up and down like this, come down again and move up. So if you miss all this movement, you don't need to panic and jump in. Just wait for the market to retrace, and when it retraces to at least maybe 50% or 60%, then you can jump in, then continue riding the wave. So this is more of what we're going to be discussing on this channel, Crypto Bin 101, so you don't want to miss it. Please, you can follow our Twitter, because I'll be launching the Twitter space whereby I discuss about the live trading or what is going on in the market, and you could take live trading with me if you want. So you can follow on our Twitter. It's Crypto Bin 101. On Instagram as well, it's Crypto Bin 101. So you don't want to miss any of what we'll be dropping for you. All right, now let's go back to what I was discussing. And if you look at today's calendar, or let's talk about this week calendar, you can see we have some important news. And these important news are what we need to look at, because those are things that move the market when it comes to fundamental aspect of it. You could see when we had the market move on from 40K to 60K, it was because ETF was launched. That's fundamental news. Now, when it got to about 70K and we broke the all-time high, the market started coming down, that we even went down to 48,000. You can see it right here. The market came down here back to 48,000 from 74,000. You see, so don't think we can't see the market come down to around 60 or 70 again because it's on 90, or even though it's 100. So what am I trying to say in the nutshell? Fundamental news sometimes have great impact on the market. So now when Trump won the election, you can see in November 5th, you can see what happened. The market shoot up. That's another fundamental news. So that's why checking the economic calendar is very important, and on this show I'll be checking that for you guys to let you know the news or the important event that will be coming up every day, so you're prepared for the volatility, or you're prepared for the movement, if you're to sell or to buy. Like tomorrow now we'll be seeing some news from the Europe, from Australia, and on Friday we're gonna have some news from Europe as well, Great Britain and Canada. You see, these things will affect the market. And now let's check the crypto market cap. You know, if you watch my video before, the last time we were below 1 billion, 1 trillion, we hit 2 trillion, then we fall short. Now if you look at what's going on now, we are above 3 trillion. Now the total coin market cap is now at, cryptocurrency cap is now at 3.4 trillion. Can you imagine? 3.4 trillion. We have the top 10 still: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Solana, BNB, XRP, Dogecoin, USDC, that's stablecoin, Cardano, Lido Stake, and Tron. You see, but one thing I want to tell you, this bull run, we should not focus on the old coins. We should look at the new coins like the Pepe, like the meme coin, the new DOG for Department of whatever efficiency that Elon Musk is doing, Grok, X, all those coins is what you should look into and buy some and keep. But make sure you do your own research before you do that. So you can see BTC market cap is now close to 2 trillion US dollars, as it still remain the most dominance in the market. So let me check some news as we're going to be going through some news on the show. You can see Dogecoin Foundation seeks funding to what? To drive mass adoption in 2025. And we can see Dogecoin start moving back. And even the one that surprised me most is now XRP, because XRP is now doing the most. You can see XRP gearing up for new all-time high before Christmas. We all know the last bull run, XRP did well, but since the market fall off, other coin moving up, going to 50% all-time high, XRP just sit there and didn't do anything. To the extent that people are now calling XRP stable coin. But before you know it, XRP start moving and has been doing well since the movement. Now we have Bitcoin slides near 94K, but short-term bullish target of 100K BTC unchanged. Like everybody has been getting for what will I call it, 100,000 BTC. Even me myself, I believe we're going to cross 100,000. I believe we're going to see this bullish continue until April, and we might hit 250,000. But it's not going to be once. It's going to be, market will move up and down because market is waves. So make sure you subscribe to our channel so you follow all this news and all these gems I'll be dropping for you, so you can share the information with other people and you too can make use of it and make some money. Also, now let's check you today. Shiba Inu breaks out secured. Yeah, I told you Shiba Inu is broken out. Let me show you on the chart. Let me show you quickly. You can see Solana. Since Solana broke out, went parabolic. XRP, no, this is X, not XRP. This is XRP. You can see XRP has been down for long, and now it broke out this 0.60, and now we hit 1.6, doing almost $1 in a row. That is good. So for holders of XRP, congratulations, and I think you guys will be happy now that at least your sleeping giant is now awoken. So now let me show you what I was talking about. Shiba Inu. This is Shiba Inu. I'm trying to show you Shiba Inu right here. Yeah, you can see SHIB now has already broken out, but it has not done the rally like other coin. You see, that's why a lot of people are still believing Shiba Inu might move on and break the all-time high. Now, imagine you get into the market right now. You understand? Let's say you get into the market right now, and from here to where it's going to break the all-time high, you could get double of your money. So let's say you put $100, you could get $200 in return. You see? So, but do your own research. But I'll tell you, the new gems are what I'm looking at, and I'll be sharing them on this channel, so you do not want to miss any of my episodes, because I'll be sharing the token you need to buy, the coin you need to get into, and these are what I know because I've been through 3 cycles now. So definitely I know what I'm telling you. So let's take a look at one or two more news before we move to the next one. Bitcoin rally benefit from US buyers. Coinbase premium guy reveals strong demand, since Trump won, because Trump is pro Bitcoin. Definitely, we know Bitcoin is going to do it. Not Bitcoin alone, even cryptocurrency at large, because we saw Donald Trump releasing his portfolio, having about, I think, is it $5 million in crypto that is invested. Imagine President of the United States having some crypto in his portfolio. So definitely is going to bring all this policy that is going to aid it going to the moon, and also doing some things that will allow probably the regulations and everything that has been delaying it for so long. So I think this is time for we the crypto enthusiasts, and we need to make sure we do the right thing. Don't jump at the market that is already above or that has gone to the moon. If it has gone up, wait, let it come back. Nothing goes up that won't come down. Look at the chart. It has always been waves. You see, look at the chart. It's been waves up and down, up and down. So when it's going up like this, don't FOMO in. Just let it pull down a bit and you can get into the market. But if you don't know how to do that, that is why this channel is here for you. And that is why this show, the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, is here for you every morning, so you know what you prepare for throughout the day. Also, we're going to look at some other news from great channels where I'll be sharing to you, like this news now. Sports BTC Spot ETF experience about 435 million outflow despite BlackRock IBTC 67 million inflow, you see. And now crypto industry away new director as SEC chair Gensler departs in at the change of flag. We all know Gary, since Trump won, a lot of people have been saying Trump must sack him or he resigns, and I think he's been thinking about resigning because he is not pro cryptocurrency. You can see the battle with Ripple, the battle with ETF before they approved the Bitcoin ETF, Ethereum ETF. Now people are probably we're gonna have Solana and a lot of them, because Solana has been doing great. You can see what Solana did right here. You can see Solana did a lot of movement right here. Look at this. To the extent that Solana is now giving us a new all-time high. Can you imagine? Solana has given us a new all-time high, flipping Ethereum. And I can't even believe that, See Solana from 137 now trading at 200 and what? 264. And it's still going to continue like that. I told you this rally is going to continue until what? Until April next year. So we have a lot of things to be excited for. And we have a lot of things we're going to make money from. So like I said, the fear and greed is extreme. Please be careful, trade with caution, don't just jump into the market. And these are all the things I'll be sharing with you guys on this great platform. Please, if you've not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to it. It's Crypto Be 101, where we deal with crypto and lifestyle. And the show right now is the is the Bitcoin and crypto, the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show. Every morning I'll be coming onto the screen to dissect and give you news, apart from news, chart analysis. Apart from chart analysis, we take a look at the market cap, we take a look at the fear and greed, we take a look at the possible coin we should buy or we should hold throughout the week. So there are a lot of things you're going to benefit from this show. So please don't forget to turn on your notification bell, so when the show is on, you might join us. And I have great news for you guys. I'll be launching a show. The community is doing well. If you want to register and trade, you can use my ByBit link. The description is down in the comment section, and you can benefit from what we'll be giving out in the community. So that is for the community. If you want to know what we're giving out in the community, please join the community. We have the Discord channel, we have the Telegram channel, but the Telegram is very, very active now with a lot of goodies that I'll be giving out to the members of the community. So I still remember myself, Ahmed Oladimej Kazim, KC the Great, and this is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. Until I catch you tomorrow on the full-scale episode on how the show is going to be running. Please stay safe, trade with sense, remove your emotion when you're trading. Please make sure you take the trade that is supposed to be traded, because it's better you keep your money than you give the money to the markets. I'll catch you tomorrow, and peace.